When it comes to fifth wheel living, my two favorite words, say it with me, rear living is happening right now. Let's go. Why do I love rear dens so much when it comes to fifth wheels? Well, it's a great use of space. 2 hide-a-sofa beds, which is great. So this is going to sleep 4. Theater seating, look at the TV, fireplace, audio. I mean, really, it's just the comfort of a living room you didn't know you needed till you got it. And then it's such an open plan that let's go hang in the kitchen, shall we? Now, what makes this plan unique is lately everyone's been doing the island, but I love that Keystone went a little different and gave you kind of this turn, almost like a mini peninsula, giving you an open space when you head into this kitchen. Residential fridge, great dining area. Look at this undermount sink, this man-made countertop, gorgeous. Love the matte finish on this high faucet. And again, great window, 24-inch, gorgeous range. And y'all know I love great storage. What do we have? Boom! Look at that, lit pantry, great storage, and I don't think an RV's complete without it, a coffee bar. Now there's so much more to see, and wait till you see this bathroom. I have 2 words, dual vanity. Come on. I know I said my 2 favorite words were rear living, but I might mean also dual vanities. Come on, look how much space this provides, and this great center cabinet along with mirrors that open as well. You get so much cabinet space. I love power for days. And then look right here, more storage behind the door and this great shower with built-ins. This has been a huge thing on the tubs lately. Look at the shower liners. You've got all these shelves and a seat. This is huge. Handheld mat fixtures. They think of everything. Oh, and by the way, thank you for the towel hooks. Keystone, you get me and I get you. And then it gets better. Let's look at the bedroom. Look at this primary bedroom. I mean, a king bed. Closet space for days. I love the light too. What a great touch, right? Mirrored closet doors. And oh, what? Washer, dryer prep, or extra closet, whatever you need. We've got a built-in dresser, the power ports with shelves over the bed. I love the detail of the headboard. So no matter what you need in this room, you're ready to go. Also, TV prep ready. She is a great master suite. Now let's go check out the outside. This Montana High Country 373 RD really does have all the bells and whistles with a 19-foot awning, outdoor speakers, and y'all know I love pass-through storage. It's lit. We've got TV prep and auto leveling jack and solar flex prep. I don't know what else you're going to need except maybe a house guest. I mean, give your girl a call, but no matter what, give Camping World a call, and we can't wait to see you in your local dealership real soon.